Welcome to 1751 West Wolfsenberger Road in Castle Rock, Colorado. I can't wait to show you this property. There is so much to see. This property is located just 4 miles from Castle Rock City Center, where you have every amenity and convenience you would expect in this incredible community. This property is located in Douglas County, one of the most affluent counties in the U.S. And this particular property has no HOA, no special tax districts, and no covenants to restrict you. You are just 20 minutes to Centennial Airport, 35 minutes to downtown Denver, and 50 minutes to DIA. This incredible property has 20 acres, over 28,000 square feet of commercial property, and this is the fabulous house that comes with it. Along with this incredible house, there are 3 outbuildings. I'm going to take you into the first one. Let's go. This is a 30 by 50 showroom and the perfect place to display all of your featured cars. This building is over 17,000 square feet, and the current owner uses it to restore his classic cars, but this could be used for a multitude of things. Okay guys, this is my favorite room. Take your time, look around. If you're into performance and sports cars, you need them tuned to perfection. Are you into building your own engines? You need to come check this out. If you're into engine building, you've got to have a place to clean everything. You will not find a machine shop more modern and complete than this. This is a 9,000 square foot, fully insulated steel new core building. With a 14-foot door and 16-foot sidewall, you can bring your RV, your boat, whatever you want. Anything's going to fit in here. We have 2 gates. One for your primary entrance and the second one for your trucks and your RVs. Both gates are equipped with commercial openers and controllers. And check out this incredible third building. If it's not enough, this third building has a spray foam insulated, heated, fully metal lined, electrified with 3 12 by 12 and 1 12 by 10 overhead doors. I'm here with the owner of this incredible property to ask him a couple of questions. Mark, I love your property. You know I love it, and I love you. Why do you want to sell this after living here 36 years and everything you have built?
Well, I'm not going very far away. I own a ranch right over that hill, and my family wants to move to the ranch. But here we have all the amenities that you could ever want, from high-speed internet to natural gas, 4 miles from town, paved, county-maintained roads, and everything that I ever wanted to build. But my family wants to move.
Well, I love it that you're such a kind man to your family and they get to decide. Well, this property has been one of my most favorite to list. And if you want a private tour to see it for yourself, contact me directly. It will be worth your time. It's really a one-of-a-kind piece of property.